So this is how to program the Chinese diesel heater with the blue controller. It's for the remote control pairing, this right here. There's a lot of videos on the internet that say will help you program this, but it didn't work for me, so I thought I'd help out to program this and maybe it'll work for others too. So the videos say to press this button on this side for a couple seconds and it should come up on the screen, but on this model that doesn't happen. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is just check if the control right here has some battery. You just have to press any of these buttons and the red light in the middle should show up. If it doesn't show up, it's this battery right here. I have it. It's the CR2025 3 volts. Alright, to start off, you have to press the left arrow and the settings button for 3 seconds at the same time. 1, 2, 3. And when you see the PE and it shows up, and the sign is flashing, that's when you press the on. And there you go. That should be programmed now.